This is the BK Mueller 888-572HC new style stem assembly for the BK Mueller faucets with that tan handle. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging here and go over a couple things on the stem. So a couple really important things to notice about the stem is down here on this end, it'll come with those two metal washers. One will just be that flat, just steel washer. And then this one will be almost that like cupped or rounded shape. And the reason for that is that flat washer will sit on just like that. And then that rubber gasket follows it. And then that cupped washer will sit right on top of it just like that. And then coming down to this end, you can see that little rubber almost umbrella shaped gasket or seal there. And if we look on the bottom side of that end, you can see it does have those holes all the way around the bottom side. Then coming up, you've got this hexed portion here. And then right above that, you have those two O-rings. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of the stem, starting with a total length. So from end to end, this one is going to measure right at about 11¼ inches. And then we can also go to this end here and get an outer diameter. So that outer diameter is going to measure right at just above 1/2 inch. Then we can also get a measurement of that rubber gasket down here at the end of the stem. We'll get an outer diameter. Measure right at about 3/4 inch. Then we can also get a total height or thickness of the gasket as well. That's going to measure right at 1/4 inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-572HC stem assembly.